Getting approved for Truist Bank credit card is actually a very easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can get approved for Truist Bank credit card. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now here. I'm just going to search for get Truist Bank, and then I'm going to search for credit. After searching for that, I will easily go to the first website, which should say apply for a credit card online. Now, after going to this website, as you guys can see, I'm at the Truist website. Now here I can apply for a credit card. Suppose you want to apply a business credit card, you just have to find the right one according to you. Now after that, so you just have to click on that card, and afterwards you will easily be able to apply for that card. As you guys can see, if I apply now, it will do a credibility check for me. So in the credibility check, they mostly ask for your previous bank account and how you've been, using your previous bank account, how much you make. If you have a good credibility, you will get accepted on the spot. If you are not credible, you will know that what are your weaknesses. Just try to improve those weaknesses. Like if you have, less spending, just try to spend more using your credit card, and that's how you'll get more, credibility, and then you'll easily be able to get credit card from Choice Bank. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.